When we talk about artificial intelligence in the workplace, the default image is usually a cold, sterile server room or a glowing sci-fi interface. But the reality looks a lot more like this: ordinary people sitting around a wooden table doing their jobs. To see how this actually works in practice, we have to look at healthcare, financial services, retail, and manufacturing. Combined, these four sectors make up roughly 40% of the global economy. They generate trillions in annual revenue, and they are where AI adoption is most mature and measurable. For decades, these industries ran on static, localized rules. A human operator turned the crank on a highly specific task. But today, those isolated legacy systems have evolved into dynamic, networked models that learn continuously from new data. This evolution has fueled a persistent anxiety regarding a dramatic, robotic takeover of the workforce. But the data from these sectors reveals a very different story. AI integration is happening through quiet, consistent improvements at normal desks and on standard factory floors. These improvements target highly specific operational bottlenecks. Healthcare requires deep prediction in complex, high-stakes decisions. Financial services require real-time filtering of massive datasets. Retail and manufacturing depend on forecasting human behavior and physical processes. Across every major industry, the measurable value of AI lies in its ability to amplify human expertise. By examining how these four sectors deploy machine learning to solve their specific bottlenecks, we can build a universal pattern recognition template. It is a framework you can apply to nearly any profession. We start in the clinic. An expert radiologist might review up to 200 complex medical images in a single day. The cognitive load is immense, and the stakes are absolute. Missing a microscopic tumor on a chest X-ray can cost a patient their life. In 2018, researchers tested an AI system trained to identify breast cancers in mammograms. They pitted the system against a panel of expert human radiologists to establish a baseline of accuracy for both. This chart illustrates the results. Independent AI detected cancers with higher accuracy than human experts alone. Crucially, the third bar shows combined accuracy easily beat either one. This combined model improves patient outcomes and addresses the critical radiologist shortage by amplifying doctor productivity. We see this same augmentation pattern in pharmaceutical research. Bringing a new drug to market traditionally takes about 10 years and costs billions of dollars. Traditionally, researchers use brute force testing. Now, machine learning analyzes millions of molecular structures, predicting which are active and non-toxic to drastically narrow the search space. Using this exact filtering method for Chagas disease, AI identified a highly effective novel therapy in months instead of years. The machine handles the vast computational search and surfaces the most promising evidence. But whether it's a radiologist reviewing a scan or a researcher selecting a compound, the human expert always makes the final, high-stakes decision. In financial services, the bottleneck shifts from deep biological complexity to sheer volume and speed. A major bank processes millions of transactions every day. Trying to catch a tiny fraction of fraudulent activity using static, rule-based alerts no longer works. Fraudsters simply learn the rigid rules and bypass them. To counter this, financial institutions use statistical learning to create a shared defense network. First, the system analyzes historical data to map what normal purchasing behavior looks like for each individual customer. Then, the system scales up. This map shows AI identifying coordinated fraud rings, connecting isolated, suspicious transactions across a vast geographic network. The moment one node identifies a new anomaly, defense parameters for millions of global transactions are updated instantly. This highlights the hard performance data. Banks deploying AI consistently 5%, keeping false positive rates below 1%. This threshold is critical. Catching nearly all fraud without blocking legitimate purchases and frustrating real customers is a massive operational advantage. Banks apply this same multivariable analysis to credit scoring. Instead of relying solely on traditional credit histories, AI models evaluate non-traditional data, like consistent utility payments and rental histories, to build a more accurate picture of an applicant's actual default risk. By scaling dynamic learning, AI accurately assesses true risk. This opens up credit access for unconventional borrowers who were previously locked out by rigid rules, creating a safer and more inclusive financial system. When we move into retail, the core problem is anticipating human demand. Deciding exactly how much inventory a specific store needs requires weighing an enormous number of variables. Managers account for local weather, shifting seasonal trends, and real-time competitor pricing. Failing to forecast demand has two direct financial consequences: paying to store and mark down excess inventory, or losing customers entirely to out-of-stock products. This graph shows machine learning applied to historical sales data. By accurately predicting local demand, an inverse relationship emerges. Retailers drop inventory levels by 10 to 15%, saving massive carrying costs, while simultaneously reducing stockouts and increasing sales. In manufacturing, the focus shifts from predicting human behavior to predicting machine physics. Traditionally, factories operate on one of two extremes. They either run a multi-million-dollar machine until it breaks, causing catastrophic production halts, or they follow rigid calendar-based maintenance schedules, which often means paying to service equipment that is running perfectly fine. Predictive maintenance solves this by analyzing continuous data from sensors embedded directly in the machinery. The AI measures microfluctuations in vibration, temperature, and electrical current to identify the specific physical patterns that precede a breakdown. By alerting technicians to schedule repairs only when the data indicates an imminent failure, electronics manufacturers have decreased equipment downtime by 40%. This predictive capability scales far beyond a single factory. Look at these cargo ships. Coordinating global supply chains is a problem of staggering logistical complexity. AI systems synthesize millions of constantly shifting data points, from supplier lead times to regulatory changes, to instantly flag potential disruptions and reroute shipments based on real-time global conditions. Whether it is anticipating my customer will buy a winter coat or predicting when a robotic arm will fail, the utility is the same. The technology shifts operations away from reactive guesswork toward high-probability forecasting. Which brings us back to where we started. The pattern across these massive industries is remarkably consistent. The machine tells the technician exactly when to service the equipment. It helps the financial analyst rapidly assess credit risk. It assists the radiologist in catching the microscopic tumor. The organizations currently winning the AI revolution are not building robot armies. They are investing heavily in a tool that makes their existing workforce smarter, faster, and more accurate. Lasting competitive advantage belongs to the companies that weave AI into their existing human workflows, turning individual expertise into a scalable advantage. You do not need to be a machine learning engineer to harness this technology in your own career. You simply need to audit your own professional domain, look closely at your daily operations, and identify the bottlenecks that rely on high-volume prediction, data filtering, or pattern recognition. Once you understand the specific problems in your industry, you can recognize the patterns where a machine can help. All that is left to do now is pull up a chair. There is room at the table for everyone.